Hi everyone and welcome to this ambulance doodle. It's totally awesome. I've made this up myself and I will put a link in below for you to print out or to watch and to draw along. And I start out with a Staedtler 1.2, which is a little bit fatter. And first of course you want to make your drawing all in graphite, so you can correct them with the eraser if you need. But once you're happy with your graphite drawing, then it's time to make those lines permanent and to take your fine liner and start drawing. Now it's very important to first draw out the ambulance itself. As you can see, I've put in the wheels here and they are having some kind of a thickness, and this ambulance is just racing over the road, and it's coming free of the road because it's in a hurry, of course. And here you can see underneath the ambulance, so you really get the feel that it's flying over the road. And then I simply color in everything that's beneath, and I color it in all black. I also draw in the side window like this, and that's where I stop with the 1.2 Staedtler. And once you have your ambulance, then it's time to start drawing in the letters ambulance, the word. Now the letters are behind the ambulance, so that is why you want to draw in first the car itself and then start putting in the letters. The side of the letters I make extra thick, so you get that 3D effect. Then here you stop again, and first you draw in the band-aid. Once you have that, you can continue with the letters, which are underneath that band-aid. So that is why you draw in the band-aid first and then continue with the letters. Then you put your thick fine liner away and you take a little bit smaller one. I've taken the 0.5 Staedtler, and here I'm drawing in the tires and the alarm on top of my ambulance, and those thick markings so that it's going wee-wee. And here I draw in more band-aids, some aspirin, and this is our patient. We will draw in a kind of virus in him later on. Here is the syringe that is floating in the air. Here a capsule with medicine and a pin for the band-aid. And just behind the patient there is this doctor. The doctor is coming to aid the patient, and this is the symbol for medicine. Here is another band-aid and the stethoscope that the doctors use, of course, to check if your heart is still beating. And then at the final stage I draw in some high buildings. Maybe this is a hospital, and some skyscrapers, because the ambulance is going over the road, of course. I put in some windows and a cloud way up in the sky. And what I do next is I take my ruler and I draw in some lines, and this is very helpful indeed because it gives a little bit of perspective in your drawing, and you know till how far you need to color in your doodle. So I carefully place the lines between the items that I've drawn, like so. And now I have the area that I can use to start coloring in. But before coloring in, I first erase my little graphite helper lines. I've taken here a Kelly brush pen and I'm using red, of course, for the cross on the side of the ambulance, and I combine this with a little bit of orange. For the siren on top, I'm using a little bit of orange and red, and you can put in yellow if you want. I will take a picture for you to put in the link below. And here you can see me drawing in the sky with my light blue brush pencil. And of course you can use any kind of colors you have. So brush pencils or markers or color pencils, everything is possible. Because I've drawn in the lines for the outer contour, I know exactly how far to put in the blue for the sky. I carefully color around the items that I've drawn in. Then you have to check what kind of colors you have in the box or whatever container you have for all your markers and color pencils. And I have chosen a light brown for the band-aids and the cup and the snake, the symbol for medicine. The snake I draw in a little bit of green, and here are the virus pimples on our patient. And that patient is very sick, he has caught something, and the ambulance is going to his aid and the doctor is coming to help him. For the face of the doctor I use a little bit of pink and a little bit of light brown. I simply combine those colors to give the doctor some facial expression, and for his hair I'm using yellow and brown, and the patient is all flamed up and in panic, so I've put in pink for him. And this is the pill that is floating in the air, and the aspirin I will keep white. And a little bit of pink in the syringe and in the band-aids will do the trick. And for the band-aid below, I'm putting in some shadows to make it look rounded, and also a little bit of graphite pencil. That comes in very handy also for the screens, the windows on your ambulance. And well, graphite is ideal for putting in shadows anyhow. Here I'm using gray for the tires. And let's see, for the lower part of my drawing I want to use a combination. So from left to right I'm using a darker blue and then a lighter blue, and then I put in over extra in the left side that dark blue. So now it appears that the street is going from dark to light, and this is an extra dimension to give your drawing some more strength. And I put in a little bit of graphite in between the letters ambulance to make them pop out even more. Here a little bit of shadow for my high buildings, but you can choose any colors you want, of course. This is just an example, but it's just great fun to do. Well, I hope you will give this a try, and I hope for a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.